my name's Aishwarya. I'm a research scientist at Google DeepMind, and I'm leading the multimodal effort on Gemma 3. Today, I want to show you a demo that I built using the new capabilities we just announced in Gemma 3. A little bit of context. I really enjoy traveling. I just took a short trip to Zurich from London, and I wanted to show you how I used the new Gemma model to help me along the way. To do this, I'm counting on Gemma's multi-turn, multimodal, and multilingual capabilities while also using its ability to do math and reason. Cool, it's time to show you the demo. First, I needed to figure out which terminal at Heathrow to get to and how to get there. So I sent a picture of my flight details and the London Underground map and let Gemma figure out a plan for me. As you can see here, Gemma told me what tube line to take and where to get off. I also wanted to make sure I would get there in time, so I asked for a more detailed itinerary. And Gemma was very helpful, giving me a breakdown of all the steps in the journey and how long each one would take. Once I got to Zurich, I was hungry, so I asked for recommendations for where to eat. I asked Gemma to recommend a restaurant where I could get some typical local food, and I was amazed by all the details that I got. I learned about the restaurant's history, the best dishes, the price, and the location. Later, I needed help splitting the bill, so I told Gemma what dishes and drinks that I had, and it calculated my share. It even helped me add the tax and tips. Another big hobby of mine is cycling. So I thought it would be amazing if I could ask for help planning a bike trip using a couple of different options of bike routes. Once again, it did an excellent job. It even told me some pros and cons of each route suggested, while taking into account the constraints that I laid out, like elevation and time. And when I was finally ready to go shopping for some sweet souvenirs to bring back home with me, I asked Gemma to help me find the best chocolate shop. There were so many options, it was really hard to choose. Luckily, Gemma gave me recommendations based on my needs, and it made it a little bit easier for me to choose. There was just one problem. I couldn't understand the ingredient list on the back since it was in a different language. But thanks to Gemma, I could upload a picture of it and had all the ingredients translated to English in no time. And that's it. I now have a travel buddy to take with me on my next trips.